If your card keeps getting declined online, even though you have plenty of money, your bank's automated security isn't blocking your funds. It's rejecting your text formatting. Here's how to fix an AVS mismatch instantly. AVS stands for Address Verification System. When you buy something, the store's gateway matches your type zip code against your exact bank file. Step 1. Log into your banking app, go to your profile, and check the exact spelling of your address. A single misplaced period after avenue, or ST, will trigger an automatic system decline. Step 2. If your address is perfectly correct, but the vendor's website is using an outdated verification portal, do not type your card details manually. Instead, use a digital wallet option like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal at checkout. These digital wallets pre-verify your identity and pass a secure token to the vendor, completely bypassing the broken external AVS scanner. Your search ends here.